How's it going, people? Welcome to Charity Builds. As you may know, our efforts go beyond woodworking. Today, we're building a beautiful bed commissioned by a generous individual, and proceeds from this project will be donated to a charitable organization close to my heart. I want to start sharing more of our charitable efforts. So let's talk a little bit about the organization we'll be supporting before we get into the build. Together for Gambia is a charity I co-founded, dedicated to providing clean water, food aid, and livelihood opportunities to underprivileged communities in the Gambia, West Africa. As we work on this project, it's important to remember the impact we can create beyond our workshops. Together for Gambia has been making incredible strides in the Gambia since 2016. Ultimately, we want to cut the cord of dependency. I'll leave a link in the description if you want to learn more about what we do. One of the most satisfying aspects of woodworking is the ability to create functional art. This bed is not just a piece of furniture, it's a reflection of our dedication to blending craftsmanship with philanthropy. I was pretty much given carte blanche on this project, and I wanted to design the bed to complement the desk I already made and the dresser to be made, all going in one room. If you haven't seen the desk build, make sure you check it out. I had some nice quarter-sawn white oak that I wanted to be the hero of the build, so I kept the overall design simple while focusing on introducing a little movement on the legs to make the bed a perfect pairing with the desk and dresser. What you're watching right now is me fixing a mistake. I mistakenly drilled the domino on the wrong side of the leg of the headboard. I decided to enlarge the mortise to give the appearance of a through tenon. This way we turned it into a design feature and forget about that mistake. This turned out to be my favorite part of the build. You'll see at the end of the video. Now that the construction is complete, we're going to apply Rubio Monocoat Pure, a low VOC finish to protect the wood's beauty while ensuring it's safe for the environment and those who use it. It's essential that we consider sustainability in every aspect of our work, whether it's woodworking or the charity. Before I sign off, I want to leave you with a little something. Remember, your craft, whether it's woodworking or something else, is not just about creating beautiful objects. It's also about using our skills and knowledge to make a positive impact in the world. If you're ever in a position to do good, or something is asked of you, please consider it. Charity builds lives.